morning! Alright, so we're walking in the woods right now, in the park, and we found some fiddleheads. In French, it's tête de violon. I guess we're like wild foraging right now, so let's go see. So this shape is what you're looking for?
And I'd say you want even bigger ones.
Yeah, you can't eat those. It's like, it's too late. You know, it actually grows really fast because yesterday we saw this one and we thought we'll come back another day. And it's already too late.
Take a look at this one here. When there's some skin that you can take off like this, they're not ready yet, so just leave it there.
Oh yeah, that little one. Not ready, huh?
Yeah, this one here is not ready yet.
Yeah. Gab is the expert at picking them. And he was telling me
what we want is to go and just pick some here and there like this to avoid, like, you know, killing the spot.
Yeah, the spot has to remain alive. So you only pick some of them. So I'm going to try for the first time in my life to pick some fiddleheads. Do I cut here?
Well, yeah, you could.
Okay. So you cook them like this?
I would say that we would, like, we'll chop them up and then clean them up and then we'll just put them in oil and with salt.
So you see we left, of course, the stems. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this spot because actually they're a little bit too old already. You see these ones are too developed. So you just leave them. They have to be really compact and small. I'm very excited to have a taste of these fiddleheads. Yum. Yum yum. The taste is very unique. It's like very green. It's reminiscent of spinach. So yeah, we also have these boiled potatoes. Put some dill and black pepper on them. Gab made these Georgian puris yesterday. This one is stuffed with beans, but he made them special, of course. We have some Georgian spices that are specifically blended for beans. And this one is filled with sauerkraut. So it's like delicious fermented cabbage. Delicious.